Hi, I am from Ayudyog Private Limited. It's a AI-based deep tech spectroscopy solution and we provide the quality estimation of pharmaceutical product. At MCC, we are very privileged to present our concept and solution. And this platform provides us a very unique and user-friendly platform where we can interact and network with others. And I think it's a very high technology platform where each and every party can interact and give the opportunity to interact with the other people. Basically, I am from the eastern part of India. I came here and I have a very good time spent here, and I can connect with so many different domain people, and it's helped me a lot. So, thank you, MCC.